Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty rolled down the street, bumping and tumbling, oh what a feat. He met a bird and a friendly cat. They tried to help, just imagine that. Oh no, oh my, what can we do? Humpty's broken, feeling blue. Fix him up, make him smile. Let's help Humpty in a while. The baker came with some flour and glue. The doctor said, I'll fix you too. A little bit of magic, a little bit of cheer. Humpty Dumpty's back, let's all cheer. Now he's dancing, jumping high. Humpty Dumpty's touching the sky. No more falling, no more tears. Humpty's happy, let's all cheer. Oh hooray, look who's here. Humpty's smiling ear to ear. Jump and dance, have some fun.